Let's see how to get started with Gloodata on Linux. First go to gloodata.com/download, then scroll down to the Linux section. You can copy the commands by selecting them or just by clicking the copy button on the top right. Open a terminal and paste the command. It's going to download a zip file with Gloodata. And then scroll a little bit further and copy these three commands, which are going to unzip, go to the folder and start the server on the default host and port, which is localhost 8080. We can then open a new tab and copy the credentials to log in. While the credentials, the password is set to default, this panel will appear asking you to update it. So now that we have it in the clipboard, we can update it. Once it's updated, we can go to the bottom left and expand the menu and remove the panel. This works for all panels. And the last remaining step is to set the OpenAI API key. So I'm going to copy mine here. We can test that it works correctly by hitting test. A text should appear here. Once it works, you can click save here. You can also change the model, but the default is fine for me. If you need more information about the models, how to get your API keys for OpenAI or for Google Maps, you can click the info links here. And finally, if you have the Google Maps API key for the Google Maps components, you can set it here. I'm going to set mine. Once it's set, you can remove this panel and you can try by clicking here a simple example that should show a to-do list for tasks to do before a flight. If you have the Google Maps API key set, you can say something like map of London and it should work. If you have any troubles, try setting the API keys again and reloading the browser. And if the problems persist, just ask us. The next step is to go to the guide section and check the guide that works for you. Bye.